Today we will learn SBI WhatsApp banking. First of all, you need to save the number given in the video. It is 90226 90226. In order to get SBI WhatsApp banking services, we need to get registered first. To register, send an SMS in the following format: WAREG space account number to 72089333148 from your registered mobile number. If your account number is 123456789, then you will have to send SMS as WAREG space 123456789 to 72089333148. After sending message, you will get a message from SBI which says, "Dear customer, you are successfully registered for SBI WhatsApp banking services. Kindly send WhatsApp message to the following SBI WhatsApp number, which is 90226 90226. And now open your WhatsApp and open the contact. Just type hi. Now it says, "Dear customer, good morning or good afternoon. Welcome to SBI WhatsApp banking services. Take a look at our services. Get balance, get mini statement." Here I am clicking get balance. Now it says, "Please wait while we fetch your balance details." Now I got my balance. And it says, "What else can we do for you?" Then I'm clicking on get mini statement and it displayed my recent transactions. You can also explore other services which SBI WhatsApp banking services is providing. So that's all for today. If you like the video, please like, share the video and subscribe to get notifications. Thank you.